The ArcDox difference, our experience, your advantage. At ArcDox, we believe that success in AEC isn't just about technology. It's about people, process, and the right information. We exist to help professionals simplify complexity, reduce risk, and unlock opportunities. With 30+ years in AEC and 16 years as BIM specialists, we've helped thousands of professionals and companies transform how they work. We don't just consult, we partner with you, ensuring that your career, business, or projects thrive. We know what it's like to be in the trenches, dealing with tight deadlines, conflicting information, and project uncertainty. That's why we focus on real solutions that drive clarity, efficiency, and results. Whether you need expert advice, hands-on support, or future-proof training, ArcDox is your trusted partner. We guide you toward long-term success. Let's have a conversation. Together, we'll create a clear path forward.